Good morning, another day of van build. We got the rust paint, the rust protection paint on there. Now we're gonna paint this stuff white, spray paint. And no, first we have to sand and then clean it and then paint, or wait for it to dry and then paint. And then we'll get started on today. Hopefully we can get a couple coats of the Raptor liner done by the end of the day. Here we go. It's funny because it's almost like a tar and there's like already dead bugs and a bunch of like pine needles and debris from the trees being so windy yesterday. It's like a little time capsule in the tar pit. Just got spray happy and start spraying. I should put on gloves. All right, instant thoughts. This spray paint is clean and white, and it's gonna look much different than the old white on the van. And I don't know if it's gonna cover this black bubbles on there or the dirt that fell during the wind yesterday, messing it up bad. There's so much sand and grit and pine needles in this stuff from yesterday. I think I might just, and this paint is not gonna match. I think we might just rhino line the whole freaking van. Might cost more, but at least it'll look uniform. It'll look a lot better. But we'll see how this goes. I don't have very much hope for these, but we'll see. Protecting the solar panels, that's all I really care about up here. Oh, that covered it pretty nicely. Already running. I'm not good at this paint thing. Gosh, but I really just don't care either. There's no way I'm a clean enough person, let alone being outside, to make a clean paint job. This is just screwed from the beginning. Got my footprints all over the van. Dirty. Oh my gosh. It's a good thing I have a screen protector because I just dripped a drop of paint on the GoPro screen. We'll try and get the first layer without a drip, but I doubt it. That is so terrible. I'm so bad at this. It was like one little spot of rust, and now I have a paint thing like that big. If I would have known that, I would have not started this project. Gotta stay positive and keep in mind why I did this in the first place. It was to stop the rust and prevent more. Wasn't supposed to look pretty. Just stop the rust, prevent more. At least I'm doing that. Okay, I'm done scruffing the new paint and rinsing that off. Now I'm gonna start painting. More taping and painting. This is wearing me out. Hopefully just another day or maybe two. But guess I better go put some gloves on so I'm not all gross. Just doing some taping off the windows, and I'm getting so OCD, even though I hate taping and doing all this. I taped off the little cushion in between the doors so that it wouldn't be all funky. And even down here where it's even gonna just be black, just so that it's still a cushion and not Raptor lined. Some of the spray painting looks okay, some of it looks terrible. I've got a few more spots up top, oh, and around the window. It's not too bad, considering it used to be a black dot and that's just one coat. It's a lot better than it was. Just gotta stay positive. But everything, oh, I just like, oh, here's a little more rust, a little spot that I didn't get. It's like the more you look at it, the more you find. Woo! It's a project, but getting work done. Another coat of white, and then to the Rhino liner, Raptor liner. All right, just got the Raptor lining bottom area taped off. Crystal said that the van looks like it has leprosy with all the spots on it. I say it looks like a Dalmatian or a cow. That'd be funny to have a van painted as like a Dalmatian or a cow. It would stand out more than stickers. Crystal, does the line look straight enough for you? Doesn't look perfectly straight, but it looks good enough. I figured out, or I just realized that I can't tape over the wet paint on the door. So the door is gonna have to wait till tomorrow so I can get that line, because it's like right there where all the wet paint is. Up close, it's not perfect, but it's white and it's not rusting anymore. So just staying positive. Fix the rust, prevented more rust. So yeah, doing good work, I think. Not professional work, but good work. Crystal just made us a really good lunch, chicken bacon grilled cheese. Just finishing up the white, getting rid of the last of this can. Trying to make it look as nice as possible. Looks pretty crappy, but whatever. Looks better than it did before. Okay, getting ready to start this Raptor liner stuff. It looks like it's gonna go pretty quick, just rolling it on. Once you open this stuff and get it started, it only has 60 minutes and then it's done. So you're either using it in 60 minutes or you're tossing it. I'm trying to do 2 bottles today. It says there's enough of this to do the whole bottom in 2 coats. We'll see how it goes. Pretty darn good. I did just notice why there's rust up in this corner, because when you close the door, it scrapes. That's no good. There's some broken weld going on at the hinge, but we'll live with it for now.